You want to go to B-Dubs? Yeah, dude, I'm down for some wings. All right, dude, for sure. We'll take my car. All right, bet. You want to drive it, though? Dude, you're really going to let me drive the new Beamer? Yeah, bro, I got you. Wow, this is so nice. Thank you. You just got to promise me you're not going to mess it up. That's all. Wow, this thing's pretty nice. Yo, can I get those keys? Thanks, bro. Why didn't it start? Oh, God. Oh, God.
All right, John, you can do this. You gotta do this. You gotta do this to prove yourself as a car guy. You're a real car guy. You can do this. You can do this, John. Come on, you can do this.
Bro, you good? Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm actually doing it. Dude, that actually wasn't too bad. Bro, you have no idea what you're doing, do you? Nah. Get the fuck out of my car. Alright. Alright, bro. Sit back, relax. That's how it's done. What's up, guys? I just want to take this opportunity to really quickly tell you guys that Pasha and I released new merch on www.boostbunker.com. This is the graphic on the front. It's like a really cool font that says Boost Bunker, and then it has the H pattern, manual shift pattern. These are holiday themed shirts and hoodies. They say Boost season on the back with a big turbo. I'll put an image on the screen right here somewhere. Cold weather is Boost season. Christmas time is Boost season. Every day is Boost season. So please go check out www.boostbunker.com. Use coupon code BoostedJohn, all caps, no spaces. I'll also put that on the screen somewhere right here so you guys can see it. Please go use my coupon code for $5 off. That's my way of saying thank you to you guys for supporting me. Also, I hope you guys liked this little skit that I just put together. I'm waiting on a couple of car parts before I can get started working on a few things here. It's also very cold and gloomy outside, so it's been really hard to make videos. I don't really have a good workspace. And also, the Civic is parked. That Civic is sitting right there, and it won't really be moving for a while. As you guys know, I do have plans for it for the winter. There's a lot of work to be done, but I'm not ready to start it yet, so I'm not gonna talk about it. You guys are gonna be getting a lot of BMW content over the next couple of weeks, so get ready. I know there's a lot of you guys that look forward to the BMW content. I know a lot of you guys really like this car and like the videos that I put out on this car. So I'm here to tell you guys that the wait's over. You guys can start looking forward to some 335i content. That's really all I have to say. I hope you guys enjoyed again. Also, if you like this video, please click that thumbs up. I know I already said also once, but also again, if you like this video, please click that subscribe button and check out www.boostbunker.com. Support your local boys. And as I always say, guys, remember to plan, commit, execute, and attain your goals. Bye.